Federico Valverde, his 60th career appearance, goes first and buries it in the corner.
After that whistle, he was ready to go, but made no mistake about it. That's a penalty where guys picked his corner.
He's been on the bench in the knockout stages. Saved!
Backed up and he replaced it. That little stutter step on his run-up.
Scores.
Late, and you'll just see there, now he's getting the push off, but it's too late. Ball's already in the corner. Two good penalties so far from you. The referee right now, Rochet did this on the
now, Rochet. Just in that bottom corner.
That's a good penalty because he disguises it well. You see at the last minute, he comes across his body.
In the Brazilian League for the last fun. And puts it.
Allison goes the right way, but there's no way he's going to do that, especially unless he's taking a huge leap. It's a really
just stare down the goalkeeper. Off the pole.
You see he was clapping his gloves before. He's watching him the whole way, but then he committed to it, to the semifinal.
7th international appearance, only with the final. Saved by Alisson in Brazil.
Lifeline for Brazil. What a save it is.
Brazil alive as a nervous. And he does.
Once again to come up with a huge save. This is a good penalty.
With this kick.